I'm Crane Stradom, fixed income analyst at Merchant West Investments. The Merchant West Sky Money Market Fund returned 2.22% for the quarter, compared to its benchmark, the STEFI call rate, which returned 1.96%. The fund's total return for the last year, net of fees, was 8.43% versus the STEFI call rate return of 8.03%. The Fed left the Fed funds rate steady at a 23-year high of 5.25 to 5.5% for a fifth consecutive meeting in March 2024, in line with market expectations. Policymakers still plan to cut interest rates at least 3 times this year, similar to the quarterly forecasts in December. The plots also indicated 3 cuts in 2025 and 3 more reductions in 2026. Higher than expected inflation data in the US led to a reversal in the downward trend in bond yields, with the US 10-year Treasury yields moving back above the 4% level to 4.19% from 3.88% at the end of December 2023. The trend was the same in most other regions and led to a sharp decline in the prices of developed market bonds, which were down 2.9%, while emerging market bonds shed 1.1%, both in US dollars. South Africa's inflation increased to 5.6% year-on-year in February, from 5.3% in January, slightly above market forecasts of 5.5%, and closer to the higher band of the SARB's target range of 3 to 6%. Fortunately, food price inflation slowed to a near 2-year low of 6.1%, down from 7.2% in January. Core inflation increased from 4.6% to 5% year-on-year. The SARB's Monetary Policy Committee voted unanimously to keep the local repo rate at 8.25% at their March meeting. Food inflation was singled out as a key risk to local inflation forecasts. The Reserve Bank governor reaffirmed the need for a restrictive policy stance given the elevated inflation expectations. South African bond yields rose sharply over the quarter amidst anemic economic growth prospects and uncertainty regarding the upcoming election, which have both had a negative effect on the value of the rand. The All Bond Index declined by 1.8%, while cash produced a positive return of 2.1%. The fund is very well positioned to outperform risk assets in the event of a local or global growth slowdown. We continue to emphasize liquidity and credit quality as a core part of the Merchant West Investments fixed income philosophy.